Okay, how to unpack wild gears. Basically, all the gear sets come with strips of this white sticky paper, and you just want to peel it off. This is a special sticky tape that doesn't leave any residue on the gear set. And if you peel it off at sort of a doubled over angle like this, it will work best for you. Note any little donuts might get pulled up with it, so watch your tape for that. And on the first side, it's quite straightforward. The other side still holding everything together. We'll need to be a little bit more careful when we're taking the second side of tape off. So you can see I'm holding everything still and just peeling smoothly. Now we can flip it over, and some of the donuts might fall out. Make sure they're not underneath. Now this is where I need to be a little bit careful, because as we are going, there's nothing holding these gears down, and so they might try to lever up with the tape. And so you want to just hold each gear in place as you're going, because if the tape pulled this one up like this, it could crack some of the teeth right here where it's pivoting. So that's what you really want to avoid. But other than that, just nice, even peeling off the tape, and then rescuing all your little donuts. These are useful. They just come off the tape really easy. It's not super sticky. It's a little bit less sticky than masking tape. Yeah. Then last one, and we'll be done here. Boop. There we go. And that's how you unpack a gear set.